In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel to n8n, a process that will seamlessly integrate these two powerful platforms and streamline your workflow. Let's start by logging into n8n. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to sign up. n8n is a workflow automation tool that lets you connect various apps and services, which is perfect for our task at hand. Once you're in the n8n dashboard, locate the plus button. Clicking this will allow you to add a new workflow item. In the search bar that appears, type high level. This search will help you quickly find the high level integration app, which is what we need to connect to GoHighLevel. Next, it's time to create a task, the central component of integrating workflows in n8n. Click on the task creation option that appears, and you'll be prompted to connect your credentials. This step is crucial because it authorizes n8n to link with your GoHighLevel account. You'll have the option to select credentials. If this is your first time connecting GoHighLevel to n8n, you'll need to create new credentials. Look for the option to click and copy the OAuth redirect URL. This URL is vital for establishing a secure connection between the two platforms. Open a new browser tab and visit marketplace.gohighlevel.com. Here, you will create a new application that will be used to facilitate communication between GoHighLevel and n8n. Click Create App and enter an appropriate name for your application. Something simple and identifiable related to your project or business typically works best. Once your app is created, navigate to the Auth section and find the part where you can set redirect URLs. Paste the URL you copied earlier into this section. This step ensures that any redirection during your authentication process is correctly handled. After pasting, make sure to click Add to save the URL. Now that you've added the redirect URL, it's time to move on to settings related to your app's scopes. These scopes determine what information n8n can access from GoHighLevel. Click on Select Scopes and copy the scopes list provided. Return to n8n and paste these scopes into the Credentials section. Scopes need to be exact to ensure the connection works smoothly. Following this, you'll go ahead to add a client key. Provide a name for your client key, which will help you identify it later. Once you've established this connection, you will copy the client ID and client secret provided by GoHighLevel. Paste these important credentials into the corresponding sections back in n8n. Finally, to complete the integration, click Connect My Account and then click Save. You've now successfully connected GoHighLevel to n8n. This setup opens up a range of possibilities for automating tasks and improving efficiencies across your business operations. Thanks for watching and happy automating.